Hi, Madyson.
Hi!
Today we are going to do a science experiment for Madyson's class. What is the experiment that we're doing? What are we trying to find out?
Lava lamps.
Okay, but what is the experiment that we're trying to find out? It's on your paper.
The experiment we're trying to find out is what happens when we mix water and oils.
Very good. And what do you think is going to happen?
I think the oil will bubble up and make a water sphere
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Why do you think that?
because of chemical reactions and stuff.
Why do you think that also that you have listed on your paper?
I really don't know.
But that's because...
Because that's what lava lamps.
Right, so we're going to call this a lava lamp experiment.
Yeah!
Okay, so what do we need to do this experiment? What are the materials that we need?
You need 3 clear cups, water, vegetable oil, and food coloring.
Very good. And we're going to use the food coloring.
As the food coloring is optional. It can be a clear lava lamp.
Very good. Okay, so what we need to do first...
Is we need to fill it up halfway with water.
Very good. So go ahead and do that.
Not full way because you need to add the oil.
Very good.
And it'll just be a mess.
Yeah. Very good. That looks like halfway to me. Very good.
And the last cup.
With a pretty purple ribbon.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, now we're going to make them pretty.
Yay!
This part is optional, like Madyson said. You don't have to add the food coloring. It's just fun to do. So how many drops are you going to put in each cup?
2.
Very good.
Dos.
Each cup was filled up halfway with water.
Mm-hmm. And it makes a really cool, pretty effect. Dude. Come on, dude.
Very good.
Isn't that cool? Next for the red one. Dude. Dude. And finally, one of the prettiest in my opinion. No need to get aggressive, Blue. Dude. Dude.
Very nice.
Side effects do not need to be added.
Okay, so now that we have the food coloring in,
What you need to do is stir them.
yeah, because they need to be stirred and blended. No, don't use your pencil. Get a spoon.
Yes.
Please stand by while we get a spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Very good. Try not to contaminate your colors. Very nice. Okay, so now that we've added water and food coloring to our cups, do you know what the next step is?
Add the
Add the what oil?
vegetable oil.
Very good. So right here you can see that we have 1/4 of a cup ready.
Mhm.
Madyson, just dump it in whichever color you'd like to dump it in.
You.
Now Madyson,
Pretty.
you watched that happen, and your prediction was what?
My prediction was the oil was going to bubble up and make small spears like that.
Very good, and that's pretty much exactly what happened.
Let's try it with the red.
Okay, here, hold on, let me pour it for you.
Okay.
This is, here, hold it for me though. This is older sister Emily.
Teamwork.
Very good. Hold that
Teamwork.
for me.
Teamwork is probably necessary for doing this experiment because olive oil is highly contagious.
It's vegetable oil, and no, wait for me. Wait for me so I can record it for your class.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's not science unless you write it down. There we go.
Down, 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 down.
Very nice. Okay, one more. I probably shouldn't have closed the lid so tight. Help me out.
Bam.
Thanks.
Teamwork power. Nobody can get past it. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, wait for me. I gotta close this.
With one hand.
Okay,
Ready?
ready.
Well, the bluest is definitely the cool.
Oh, you like the blue a lot?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Ooh. Woo.
Now, something else we can do. So we can take salt, which we didn't mention because it wasn't part of the experiment, but something cool you can do with the salt is this. Whoop. And then as the salt dissolves, it goes back up.
Whoa!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Here, use a spoon so that way you don't waste all the salt. Just use a little bit, okay? But let's watch what happens when you do the red and the blue. There you go. Good job. Oh, don't put it in front of the camera. There you go. Okay, go ahead.
That's a lava lamp.
Neat. Blue.
Final experiment. Blue. I'm feeling blue today.
Very cool.
Whoa, look what the blue did.
Yeah, that's really
It
neat.
made like an ice chunk. Ooh. Oh, cool. I wish this could last forever.
Why don't you put a little bit more salt in that one?
Ooh.
Whoop.
Getting fancy with the salt.
I got it focused really good on the blue so we can show the whole class really well what happens when you add salt. Whoop.
I'm about to stick on there.
Look at this. Something else you can see is that the water and the oil, now that they're done mixing, they've completely separated. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
So these are our lava lamps. Is that what you thought would happen?
Yep.
Oh, whoop.
Whoop.
Very good.
It defies gravity because that's what lava lamps actually do.
Well, in this case, do you know what's happening? It's just the salt is really heavy, so it takes some of the oil down with it. And then when the salt dissolves, the oil is lighter, so it goes back up to the top. Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.
That was Madyson's science experiment. We made lava lamps.